Hello, this is Suna Senman again with A Course of Love reading. I am on reading number 13, and we will start with the last paragraph from reading number 12 and then continue on. Love is at the heart of all things. How you feel but reflects your decisions to accept love or to reject it, and choose fear. Both cannot be chosen. All feelings you label joyous or compassionate are of love. All feelings you label painful or angry are of fear. This is all there is. This is the world you make. Love or fear is your reality by your choice. A choice for love creates love. A choice for fear creates fear. What choice do you think has been made to create the world you call your home? This world was created by your choice, and a new world can be created by a new choice. But you must realize that that is all there is. Love or lack of love. Love is all that is real. A choice for love is a choice for heaven. A choice for fear is hell. Neither are a place. They are further reflections of means and end begin the same. They are but a further reflection of your power. So what is love? What love is cannot be taught, it cannot be learned, but it can be recognized. Can you pass love by and not know that it is there? Oh yes, you do it constantly by choosing to see illusion rather than the truth. You cannot be taught love because you can be taught to see love where it already exists. The body's eyes are not the eyes with which love can be recognized. Christ's vision is, for only Christ's vision beholds the face of God. While you look for a God with a physical form, you will not recognize God. Everything real is of God. Nothing unreal exists. Each person passing from this life to the next learns no great secret. They simply realize love is all there is. Nothing unreal exists. Think for yourself. If you were going to die tomorrow, what would you today find meaningful? Only love. This is salvation's key. Because love has no physical form, you cannot believe that love could be what you are, what you strive to be, what you seek to return to. Thus you believe you are something other than love and separate from love. You label love as a feeling and one of many, yet you have been told there are but two from which you choose, love and fear. Because you have chosen fear so many times and labeled it so many things, you no longer recognize it as fear. The same is true of love. Love is the name you give to much you fear. You think that it is possible to choose it as a means to buy your safety and security. You thus have defined love as a reaction to fear. This is why you can understand love as fear's opposite. This is true enough, but because you have not properly recognized fear as nothing, you have not properly recognized love as everything. It is because of the attributes you have given fear that love has been given attributes. Only separate things have attributes and qualities that seem to complement or oppose. Love has no attributes, which is why it cannot be taught. This is A Course of Love, brought to us through Marie Perron, by the same author as A Course of Miracles that was brought to us through Helen Schumann. And beside it is the book Peace, Discovering Life's Harmony Through Relationships, with a book that you may write for yourself, to yourself, together with me as the author. And just now, take a deep breath in, release everything, and just let yourself be filled with love, and enjoy today with blessing.